Very true. Agree. But I still think the I was crazy before chickens shirt anyone relevant, the Republican Party. I don't think it's a question of whether or not the claim will be taken seriously. I think most of the GOP party leaders know the guy is full. What I think it comes down to is optics. If loses and is screaming about fraud, do they risk backing his claims? If there's a huge margin of victory and has a long shot of stealing the election, it's not worth the risk of blowback later. I was crazy before chickens shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. But if the margin is small, I was crazy before chickens shirts it much better than me. Thank you. They can't just say, fraud happened, though. The election is on November 3rd, meaning they have limited time to gather evidence and make a compelling case. Biden looks like he has a solid 278 EC votes, and if he captures a state like Florida or North Carolina, it becomes nearly impossible for Trump to win. So in that scenario, Trump not only has to build a case that fraud occurred in one state but in multiple states. Other products.